In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening both of your apps in the background. Firstly, open the first one and tap on Home button, then the second one and the square button. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it located at the top. Finally, select split screen and click on your second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. If you wish to change placement of your apps, click on this icon with two arrows. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!